Welcome everyone. Good morning. We are in the house. Trader Oracle is in the house actually. How are you guys doing? Huge applause. Right before the market opened. So yeah, unfortunately that short that we took earlier, actually it got taken out. But the moral victory is still ours because it went down, after all. Alright. Let's see what is happening. We're down into a fair value gap, it seems like it. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, it's still up there. Well, nothing in particular right now. Trying to check these levels here. But nothing. All right. Okay, so what's happening? Shahid. Good morning yet again. Exactly. Well, it seems like we dropped down. Unfortunately, I lost that previous short trade. Oh, and we have a new sub. Ash K. Thank you so much for the subscription, and let's welcome him with a huge applause amongst our subscribers. So that London short was unfortunately got taken out, but look at that. After that, it actually went to our target. So just got up there, took out my stop loss, and went down as originally anticipated. But well, it's in the cards. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a great morning or afternoon, evening. We're ahead of market open. I would like to see this take off, actually. The market is moving, it never stops. I'm not sure. Hard to tell at this point. We dipped lower into this 1 hour. Well, 1 hour. Yeah, we can call that a 1 hour fair value gap here. The consequent encroachment or mid-level of this swing is still down there at 627, which doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to go down there. On the big picture, on the 4 hour and on the daily, I am still bullish. Despite the fact that we are at all-time highs, I think we're going to go higher, especially with ES. So, yeah. I'm looking for some long positions. We are in a daily discount, which is a good, you know, it's a good thing. But let's just see what is going on. Shahid, sorry, this is hindsight, but it was a nice OTE entry short from London around 4 a.m. Really? 4 a.m. It's not. Don't worry about being hindsight or not. Yeah, there was a. Let's see. From the London session, so from the London high, there was a swing all the way down to 17,665 ish. Repriced this level So let's go over the facts here. Repriced this level, right? Okay. Then went back down again. Let me delete this. Let me delete all this crap. We don't need it anymore. So take your fibs from Asia high to London low. All right. Asia high to London low. If you mean this high, then yeah. OTE entry. Absolutely. So it repriced it, went lower. Then what happened? Repriced this level again. This fair value gap was holding. Went lower again. This here got tapped by that small candle there. Right there, got lower. So now we are pretty much, you know, this was a sell. And the question remains, if I go down to the 5-minute, look at this. On the 5-minute, we have this bullish order block lookalike level, which is right around the midpoint of the hourly swing. So it should be at the open of this, which is 17,627. Good morning, top 5. Good morning, good morning. Good to see you. Hope you're doing some nice trades as well today. So you have the 79% lining up there. Yeah. Yeah, I get it where you go short, where you went short. So that's a good area if you're using OTE entries, and if that's your entry model, then it's definitely a good thing to go short from there. Now that we're in this area down there, well, where can we go from here? Are we going to go to take that swing midpoint, the hourly midpoint? I would say that I really, because we're pretty much bearish, so we cannot do anything about that. This right here, right there on the 5-minute chart, that's something significant. I like that area. I like that as a sell side liquidity. So I'm gonna put a marker there just for reference. It doesn't necessarily mean we're gonna go there, but I like that as a sell side. Sell side liquidity. Yes. Okay. So I do like that at 17,616. Yes. So who knows? And if that's the sell side and if that's the draw on liquidity, well, then of course we would need this fair value gap to hold, right? And we definitely need to go down there. So we have two reasons as well to go down furthermore from 63 to 27. I'm definitely tempted to jump into a short, but who knows when it's going to turn around and finally go for the historical highs, right? Currently up 1900, waiting to go long. What? To go long. Shorts been playing. Oh yeah, shorts been playing this morning. Nice, congratulations, top 5. Top 5 is ever since you came on the streams, all I can see is that you're killing the market, man. You're a market killer. Please guys, push the like button. You're killing the markets. By the way, it's time for a commercial. Today is the last day to grab your 50% discount at My Funded Futures. If you want to grab an end of day trailing 50k account at My Funded Futures, you can get it for $50. So just saying, with a starter pack. Also check out my other codes. Apex has a 71% sale, but the biggest sale right now is BULENOX, 87% from the option 1 accounts. Go check him out. You can use the codes all the way from TOPSTEP 1 and 2 all the way up to TOPSTEP 6. There are so many discounts, but TOPSTEP 1, 2, or 3 should go with the best discounts at BULENOX. Go check him out. All right. Apex as well. It's cool. Apex has now, if you buy an Apex account right now, you're going to have a $35 reset fee on that account, which is very good compared to other prop firms. If you're not yet sure if you're going to make it through, you can have a reset for $35 if you grab your account. 17,632 is where I'll be looking to go along yesterday's breakout. 632. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still eyeballing that level. If I would see some kind of a good entry, I would definitely take it. I would definitely like to take that. The thing is that I think that ES is still extremely bullish. So as far as I can tell, I like to see ES go for the historical highs of 5,029 up here, as you guys can see. 5,029 is definitely close. All-time historical high. That is going to keep the bulls in play, definitely. And otherwise, gun to my head, I'd like to see this go down to the 630s. That would be awesome. But since we have no entry on the 1 minute, and we have market open in less than 20 minutes, we're not going to jump into anything. So don't go anywhere, don't do anything. Please stay here. I'm gonna go out and fix a coffee. So I'll be right back, alright? So don't go anywhere. I'm gonna fix a coffee. Listen to some music, chill out, and let's watch NQ together. Ludafish, hey there. How are you doing? Nice to see you on the stream. I was just running out for some coffee. How is everybody? Hope you guys are good. I hope everyone is doing well. Let's see. So I like to see that level to be taken out down there, but otherwise, hard to tell. Hard to tell. Please push those likes and subscribe, of course, if you like hanging here on the stream. 654. As long as ES is holding these levels, I'm definitely gonna stay bullish. Is this a liquidity void down there? One tick down there. All right, it seems like we're going down a little bit more on the 1 minute. This is a bearish order block, by the way, up there. Doing well here, waiting for something to happen. Yeah, like everyone. Let's put a marker here. Template. Save as. I forgot to save bearish order block templates. So bearish order block down there. Short at 17,665. Oh yeah, you're short from there. Wow. Nice. Top 5. Aren't you afraid some of the, one of these days you're gonna get caught at the market open? Because it's always happening to me. So if I jump into a sell or whatever, into a position, into a buy or whatever, market open is just kicks me out, you know. Let's go. I hope you will succeed. I sure hope so. So market open always kicks me out, you know. If I would have gone short here, even if I go into a small profit, then market opens up and boom, everything goes like crazy. And I hate that so much. Let's check regular trading hours. Oops. What's the price? Hold on. 656. Small gap. 656 here. So we're going to have a gap north. Technically, I could be done right now. I'm in and out of 15 contracts. You need a small amount of movement and you're up. Yeah, actually you're right. So, actually you're right. Market open scares me. I'm too actually, I'm not saying I'm traumatized, but I'm also like, I don't like market opens. I mean, look at that. Top 5 is killing the market again. He's a market killer. He is a market killer. Up 7k. Jesus. Please tell me it's a funded account or real money, please. I mean, I really hope. I mean, it is so awesome if you make 7k on a trading day, man. I envy you. He needs a round of... Oh, definitely. Yeah. It's for top 5. He's killing the market right now. Easy money, right? Are you trading ICT concepts? How long have you been trading? I want to know everything. Founder account, Jesus. You're awesome. You are awesome, man. Tell me something about yourself. Maybe you did already. How long have you been trading and how is your trading career so far? Tell me. I want to learn, really. I want to get inspired from traders. Let me know. I want to get more inspiration from traders who are killing it. Killing it. Yeah. He's killing it. 7K. Just drops into the stream, takes 7K out of the market, and that's it. Come on, dude. And I'm here, busting my balls, drinking coffee, and still having some hard time. I mean, in the markets, not on the stream. Man, that's awesome. That's really cool. Ta-da-da-da. Russell is also going down. Sometimes I watch the Russell. I know you guys hate it. The same sell side is down there, so it can go down easily to that level. So the 616 area, kind of interesting, to be honest. I've been trading for several years or 7 years, right? And I really just use my gut and bid, ask, and bookmap. Nice, man. Nice. That's awesome, dude. That is awesome. It's great. You know, that is really something. And by the way, bookmap is also a great tool. I heard it. Requires, I guess, some kind of a different approach. Oh, am I seeing it? Your text disappeared. I hope you're not. It's not something you wrote or something. I mean, I hope not the bot deleted it. But anyway, it's awesome, dude. It's awesome. I have a 5-minute bearish order block up there. And also have a 15-minute fair value gap. Let me go with... I'm gonna go with this. Yeah, so bookmap made me 1900 today for sure. That is great, man. That is awesome. That is awesome, man. That is super cool. Also, bookmap is awesome. Have to wait for market open. By the way, guys, look at that. What a coincidence. Let me put this here. It's like a bullish market structure shift right there. if I didn't see the person on the bid holding it down, I would have never went short. Really? That is cool, man. That is actually awesome. Sometimes I have the bookmap open, but I'm only watching that YouTube bookmap channel. You know, there's a channel Think with Bookmap. Sometimes I glimpse into it and I check out what's going on. But I'm not saying it's a bad thing. It's actually a great tool if you know how to use it. So maybe we need to drop ICT concepts and learn bookmap. Just thinking out loud. Well, I mean, I never said bookmap is a bad thing. I never ever said anything like that. I think it might require a different approach to trade, or maybe some extra approach to trade bookmap. To who this may concern, don't overlook the bid and ask charts. All right, all right, all right, all right. So again, that's the reason why I'm currently long. Okay, you definitely. So there's a YouTube channel also, this one, with the this is what's it called? Think with Bookmap. And sometimes I look at it, I can see that on NQ we have lots of orders up there around 672, 675. These orders are a little bit fluctuating, but they are pushing it up there. And for example, I don't use the VWAP. That is not something I use, but I see that there are orders at the 70s up there. I can see that from this YouTube stream. Maybe it's nothing, I don't know. But again, I guess it requires a little bit different kind of approach. Stop loss at break even. This guy this guy is killing it. So it looked like there is a bunch of liquidity in the 70s. Yeah, they could be. We have less than 3 minutes until market open. We have the 79s up there. Oh no, what happened? Oh, okay. So we have the 79s. Okay, seems like it might want to go into that fair value gap just before market open. Let's hope it does. So then we might have a chance to go short again, maybe, or something like that. I don't know. I might going to go with 1 micro to take a long just to scalp it. You know. But I don't want to do stupid things. We have to wait. If this go to 677, I'll be up 10,000. Wow. That is cool, man. That is awesome, man. Well, we definitely have liquidity up there. That's out of question. We have orders sitting above the 70s, as far as I can tell from this bookmap feed. And what else do we have? Yeah, so right around the 75s. Yeah, it can go up and take it out. Stumped out. Stumped out. 45. Okay. All right, we have 40 seconds until market open. Let's see if we're gonna get it or not. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. It's going down. The market is open for business. Got a little scalp there. Okay, it seems like we're taking out those orders. Heading up over to the 70s. Still orders above 75. Orders above 75, by the way. I'm talking bookmap stuff right now. I got a bookmap expertise right now. But I would really like to see this one go above the 75 because we have an order block up there. So that would be nice to see it taking out. Still, those orders are pushed to the 80s. Order block starts at 79. So we have 10 points here to decide what to do. All right. Looks like we're going to take out those levels. Orders still above, they're pushed above the 80s inside of that order block. Order block has been touched. Testing this 930 middle here. Yeah, let's see. Don't do anything crazy. Let's just wait for it. We have an order block up here. We also have orders inside there. So bookmap can confirm it. Orders resting inside this area at 83, 82. Should be getting there. And now it's just getting there. They're pushing it to 90. I have nothing on, so we're just waiting. Just waiting. Ba-da-da-da-da. Inside the order block, 5-minute order block. Are we gonna sell? ES is pushing higher. Bearish order block there. Nothing extra. Feels bullish though. Market structure shift on the 15-minute, also on the 5-minute. This candle is going to close in less than 1 minute here. But we have a bearish order block. So are we bullish here or what? Shifted structure multiple times. I like that too. I like that too. Me too. I want to see the run up here. We have multiple structure shifts here. Market structure shift here and up here as well. Candle is going to close. The 5-minute candle is going to close in 8 seconds. Oh no, this is not good. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1. Invalid. This close on this 5-minute candle is not good. I don't like that. If anything, then this is bearish. I mean, I didn't like this reaction. The 15-minute candle can still close bullish with the market structure shift here. So the 5-minute, I don't like that. It's only wicked up here. Lightsaber candle up there, boom, came back down. I did not like that. Let me check the 30-second chart. Yeah, nothing there. Nothing that is interesting to me. If anything, that would be most likely bearish. That doesn't mean it won't spike all the way up, but I don't like it. ES is going higher on the 1 minute. ES is pushing higher. So that can look at NQ. Wow. NQ is having trouble with the shift. Short from 680. 680. What? Where? 680. Wow. You really caught it right there. Nice entry there. Nice entry. That is awesome, dude. What do we have here? $680 was a good entry there. Are we going to make new lows? It feels like that 688 is still there, but it's a swing high. If I go down to the 1 minute, looks like it still wants that. But I have no entry. This would be a bullish order block down here. If we go down, for example here, this one. Template, save as, bullish order block. Save. So, more folks in here usually trading London. No one likes to trade New York, it seems. Well, who knows, yeah. But, so that order block down there is 15-minute. Bullish order block. Took out liquidity. This down close candle, next one took this out. Shifted structure up there. That doesn't mean it can't go down. We are at the decision point right here. It can go down there into the 15-minute order block. Yeah, we have news. So that's typical before news. And welcome to the stream, Joe. Joe or Josef or Josef. Welcome. Yeah, we have news. We have news. Okay, so yeah, hi there. Üdvözöllek. All right. Oh, üdvözöllek, Szabó József. Én meg Szabó Tamás. Very rare name. Our third name is actually the same. I'm Sabo too. He's Sabo too, so it's very rare, you know. It's very, very, very rare. Nobody actually has a name like this. Okay, seems like we want to clear that buy side at 88. Are we really looking to clear that buy side? That's the big question here. All right. Volume is coming in maybe after news, hopefully. That's awesome. Yeah. Okay. Still hovering around here. We might gonna stay like this. Okay. We're gonna have dollar consumer confidence and JOLTS job opening. And still inside this fair value gap. Grab your discounts, guys. 87% off BULENOX. I'm not 100% sure, but maybe today and tomorrow only. At BULENOX, 87%, so. And today is the last day to grab your 50% discount at My Funded Futures. By the way, I do think that My Funded Futures is definitely a good deal if you take the expert account, because activation fee is included. So altogether with the activation fee, it's the cheapest version. My Funded Futures is the cheapest if you take the activation fee too. So just saying, but you gotta make sure that you have the ability to pass that account. Okay, we're visiting that order block again. I mean, for the first time, it seems like. Let's go. Back to the fair value gap. Look at this barcode chart again. I'm gonna practice what you preach, Tom. Holding the prop account for more than 1 month at the very least. Hey, you know what, Sahid? That deserves an applause. I don't, I mean, technically I was preaching that, so I am preaching that. But hey, if you take trades, for example, I meant to also say in the video that you not always have to take a trade, but if you trade almost every day for a month, and you, worst case scenario, I mean not worst case scenario, you just keep your account balance. So for example, you start out with a 50k account, and after 20 trading days, your account balance, it might not be at 53,000, but your account balance is still somewhere around 50k. Let it be just break even at 50k. And you were in the market every single day for 1 month. Then you were taking your account to risk. And you exited the market after 30 days. And your capital is still there. That's a huge achievement. Trust me. In day trading. That's a great achievement. If you can do that, you actually took a huge step. And go with micros. I strongly advise go with micro positions, and that's it. So if yeah, I could say many more things, but I don't want to right now. It's your journey, but what I told in that video is from experience and from the best heart to you guys. Don't pass it in 1 day. There are people who can, and not even gamblers. There are some better trading people, maybe not even professionals, who has the experience and the money to back it up, you know. For example, if you have a few $100 or $1,000 just to, you know, that you don't care about anything about that money, then of course you can buy a few here and there, and you can YOLO it if you know how to go with the funded account. Then why should you just wait a month, right? You can do that, but it would be so much better for your self-conscious and self-confidence to go and hold the account. That doesn't mean you can't be doing it. So that doesn't mean you can't pass it, because you can. Everybody's waiting for news. Everybody's waiting for news. Do we have any news? ECB, bond holdings, blah, 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 nothing. All right. They say that 90% of traders lose their accounts. Yes. Yes, that's the saying. In prop firm industry, I'd say 90% of traders lose their accounts in 9 days or even less. In prop firm trading, I would say that 90% of traders lose their account in 9 days or less. Not even 90. But if someone is new in prop firm trading, I'd say chances are high that he or she going to lose their account in a few weeks, 2 or 3 weeks maybe. I don't know. Hard to tell. Depends on the risk tolerance and, you know, strategy wise and the mentality. But it's hard to imagine that if someone is brand new with prop firm trading and also in trading, is not going to lose the account in a few days. Because yeah, and that's why I said in the video, if you even YOLO it and go to the funded account, I would actually take bets that you're going to lose that account. That's how it goes. That's how this business goes. And prop firms know that, so that's a good business model for them. I know some guys lose it with yes. So I know that, for example, at TOPSTEP, actually they were talking about this, especially at NFP news. During the NFP news release, TOPSTEP's resets were actually abused so much that their servers couldn't really take it. So that's, I mean, if there is NFP, the prop firms are making a killing, guys. Prop firms are killing it during NFP. Let it be futures prop firm, forex prop firm, whatever. During these high volatility news, NFP, or FOMC press conference or whatever, prop firms are making a super huge killing. They're selling like crazy. Everybody's, I mean, I know some people who are buying at least a dozen accounts before NFP. At least a dozen accounts they buy. And they YOLO it. It's their decision. I'm not judging, but they're YOLOing it. They buy like 20 accounts or whatever, and they just boom, go full margin, whatever. And maybe it goes out right, maybe not, who knows. That explains why we see 90% sale. Yes, exactly. So people spend their money around NFP. Huge sales, everybody's pressing the reset button, everybody's buying the new accounts like super fast. Everybody's so nervous for the server to send their credentials like super, come on everybody, we need the login credentials in 5 seconds, because they want to do it and servers are busy. But after NFP, the next week comes the sale, the 90% sales, 80% sales. Oh yeah, baby. That's how they do it. That's how they do it. So nothing is going to happen until news. ES should be going higher. Yeah. No specific levels here. If I go down to the 5-minute, going a little bit lower here. 15-minute order block down there. It's a whole mess. Look at this bar chart. I mean, sorry, candle chart. It's like a barcode again. The same exact thing was happening yesterday, and it's so frustrating. New York session does this, and the big move comes in somewhere at the PM session. So watch this, guys. Let's repeat what happened yesterday. There you go, guys. Yesterday, just showing to you. Yesterday market open. Great. This is really something, right? This is where you chop yourself up and quit trading. This is exactly where you chop yourself up and quit trading. There is no way to trade this. Only ICT would trade this. We have some orders around the 680. Otherwise, nothing. Market structure shift on the 15-minute candle. Okay. That is a bullish sign. Bullish sign, bullish order block down there. The bearish order block did its job, so that is actually not that strong anymore, in my opinion. We wicked out all the way. Everyone is waiting for news. It's not gonna be that high of an impact news. Hold on a second. I have to take a phone call. All right. What is this music, man? Still no news, but it's going down, which is actually, it could be good, you know, if this bullish order block would give us a nice long entry. That would be also reasonable. Let's zoom it out. So on the 15-minute, we have this order block. We still have this swing midpoint down there and sell side liquidity at 616. So Zoltan, hello. Adjon Isten, servus. Well, you haven't missed anything because we are just chopping here. So since market open, as you can see, we're in a chop, 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 chop. Nothing. Nothing is happening. Had a small reaction on this 5-minute bearish order block, pushing down the price into the 15-minute bullish order block. But everybody's waiting for news, which is going to be in 2 minutes and 28 seconds. It's not going to be that high impact. I know it's a high level news, but trust me, it's not going to have a high impact. It's going to shake the market a little bit, and then that's it. That's what's going to happen. So this is absolutely hell here. This is untradeable. Look at this, guys. This is not something anybody wants to trade. This is terrible. It's so terrible that no, there was nothing. Nothing. By the way, guys, please push those likes. ES moved. Oh yeah, a little bit. That's what I'm saying. As long as ES is gonna fight for those highs, I'm gonna stay bullish with NQ as well. So that's my big picture statement. Looking for buy side levels. I'm looking for the 700 level 2 up there. If I would see a nice structure shift on the 1 minute, I would jump in to a long. Otherwise, I'm not sure. I'm gonna delete that. So who knows? News in 50 seconds. Just let's get over the news and let's see where this one is gonna go. 600. Well, you know, if it gets down into the 15-minute bullish order block, technically, if you believe that that's a valid order block, you can take a long position anywhere inside here. You don't even have to wait for a structure shift to take out this buy side up there. But I don't know. We still have this midpoint. We have sell side at okay. We have the news. News came out. What do we have? Are we gonna sell down here? Seem like it for now. I don't know. I don't even know the numbers. It feels like it wants to sell down to the 27s, right? What's the number? 14,803. Okay, so these are actually good news, right? Yeah, these are good news. So why is it dropping? Let me know. Made a new low. What do you guys think? Sell side is down there. Wow, I might have missed my entry here. But there was no retracements. Yeah, it can go down to the 16. It should go down there. Well, tried to scalp it, didn't work out, so. Did it go to 1675? I think it did. Alright. I think it went down there. I tried to scalp it, but I exited at break even now. Anyway, I exited late. I mean, sorry, I entered late, but I'm at break even. Didn't lose money on that one at least. Okay, so sell side is 1706.16 and the low here is 616.50. So by one tick, it took out sell side. Hope top 5 is still... Yeah, I hope top 5 is still killing it because... Alright, so... perfectly took out that level. And the mid threshold of the 1 hour swing, look at that. How beautifully it went there. Took this level out that we were talking about. And immediately reversed. Be a genius, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Everything's fine. We were just waiting for news. No entry for now. So, alright, it seems like we're gonna I mean, we have a lot of buy side up there still. On the 1 hour, we just at midpoint. I'd like to see a nice structure shift to the upside. Actually, I would love to see this go back to the 70s. Took some levels. I feel a little bullish. Yeah, me too. I feel that too. I'd like to see this go back to the 70s maybe. That would be great. That would be awesome. In fact, I'm checking my other time frames. We still have some sell side on the 15-minute chart down at 611. I'm not sure how much significant that is. But at least we can look for some nice entries. Okay, we might see a structure shift here on the 1 minute. Hopefully. No entries so far. Okay, we have a market structure shift. Now maybe we can have the move that we were waiting for. Checking the 30-second chart. 30-second is not that fancy. I'd like to buy on this candle after it closes. But it seems like it might going to reprice this level. Yeah, it's repricing it. Yeah, it's repricing it. What is ES doing? All right, I'm in a buy position. Started to buy, don't ask me why. Small position. My TP should be up there. And my entry is at 649.75. I'm gonna close it real quick if it starts to drop here. Unfortunately, it seems like it's going to drop. 670. Yeah, I like this one to go to the 670s as well. My entry is 649, but I'm in drawdown, so I might going to drop it. My TP is at 670. 670 is my TP. And let me show you. 649.75. TP is 670. And my stop loss is going to be this. It's going to be 631.50. There. That's what I'm aiming for. It doesn't necessarily will be a good position. Since I already lost today in London session, I have to lower my risk to even smaller, so anything can happen. The only thing is that I'm extremely bullish on ES, so that's why I would like to see NQ go higher. I'm watching it on the 30-second chart as well. Maybe it can give another entry. Maybe it can happen. Along with you guys, 651, TP 687. Be careful, as I said. As you can see, this one can go down. There's a small liquidity void down there. Down there. It can also reprice this liquidity void. So be careful. Be careful on this one. Take small stop. It could retrace. Yeah, definitely it can retrace lower. So manage your position accordingly. I like to see this one go back up, but I'm not adding to this position, that's for sure. The only way I would add for this position if there would have been a nice displacement with some fair value gaps, but it's not giving us an entry. So we're targeting that level up there. I want this to squeeze out the shorts. That's the main goal before the news. I mean, because of the news. And if I look at it, well, yeah, it went down. Squeezed everyone already. So under 1 minute, there's definitely liquidity up there. Bookmap shows lots of orders at the 60s. At least 150 or 70, 170 or 180 orders up in the 60s. Now it goes down again. Devin, hey there. TP 85. Yeah. 85 is a brave one, hopefully. But again, if we go to the 1 hour, you know, it can go deeper, so be careful. Be very careful. 10 a.m. was Judas manipulation. I think, yeah, could be. This could have been the manipulation and the real distribution continues higher. The best thing I would like to see is ES going higher and higher here. So I would really like to see ES breaking previous day high, which is at 57. ES can do that. ES can actually do that today. So if ES breaks previous day high and goes for the historical highs above the 5,000, then we have every chance for this one to go up. If not, then it's just another day in paradise, I guess. But I really don't like this. Too many wicks around here. Too many wicks. Please, guys, if you're here and you can help me out, push the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And while we are waiting for this trade, let me give you the commercial. This is the last day to grab your 50% discount at My Funded Futures. Go check it out if you're a new customer. Also, today or tomorrow should be or could be the last day to grab your 87% discount at BULENOX, so try out my codes. Tom Sabo 1 all the way up to Tom Sabo 6. One of it should work, so check it out. And Apex has a discount still, 71% with $35 resets included, so just in case. Waiting for 1050 macro to deliver price higher. Yeah. We just have to survive until 1050. That's all. Understand, subbed and liked. All right, Devin. All right, Devin. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now all you have to do, Devin, don't forget that you have to buy a few accounts. That's it. That's what you have to do. All right. I have to keep this rolling, guys. If I don't make a little bit of extra money from the affiliates, I didn't have any payout from prop firms from TOPSTEP this month. In December I had payout, in November I had payout. This month I don't have payout, so I have to pay the bills somehow, guys. So if you're rich, there's a donation link. I'm not a Lambo trader now, guys. I'm still not there. I already, you know, picked up my car that I will buy, but it's on the wish list. So, okay, so this trade is still hovering here. I don't like this consolidation. I really don't like it. It doesn't seem like they want to squeeze those shorts. Come on. I don't know why are they not squeezing them? We have orders in the 60s. So, but instead, okay, now it's repriced. Okay, it's going down. It's going down. Oh no, what's gonna happen now? Almost at my stop loss. It's playing a mind game here. It's playing a mind game. That's for sure. What a dirty move here. I'm still in. Just saying. I don't know for how long, but I'm still in. I saw the car on your desktop. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. You got stopped. Oh, channel might be changing to Tom Lambo. I'm a BMW guy. I know that many people hate BMWs. I like them. So my car is gonna be a BMW, an M8 coupe, not a 4-door, a 2-door coupe. That is what it's gonna be. M8. Custom build, so that's what it's gonna be, but nothing fancy tuned stuff. It's gonna be real gentle, like really nothing fancy, no fancy spoilers or something, you know. It's gonna be clean. It's gonna be real clean. It's good sign. It made small retracement. Yeah. Thank you. So it's definitely going to be an M8 BMW. I'm going to have a family car, of course. Yeah, family car, you need that. But for personal use, only a 2-door coupe M8. I used to work at BMW dealers. Wow, I can vouch, they are indeed very nice. Yeah, I do. I think the 8 series, let it be just an 850 or M8. I think the new 8 series, the 2-door coupe version, I just love those. I think they are so beautiful. I instantly fall in love with the car, because when I was much younger, the old 8 series was also one of my favorite cars in the world. So when the new 8 series came out, I instantly fall in love with the car. Oh, you drove the M2 competition. Oh Jesus, that's like a hell of a strong car, I guess. I didn't drive it. I wish I would. What the hell is going on with price here? My family car will be a Panamera. For enough space for the family. You know, that's also fine. A Panamera is also cool. I'm gonna widen this area. Panamera is a nice one, but they say you should buy a new or a slightly used one, because as soon as they get over 200,000 kilometers, they're gonna have all the problems in the world. At least I know a guy who owned 2 Panameras actually, and he still loves them, but he said that if I ever buy a Panamera, it should be with very, very small small mileage, as they say in the US. 6-speed, very fun, yeah. Waiting on this dollar reverse. What is happening with the US dollar, by the way? Oh yeah. Yeah, if dollar would reverse, that could help us out, actually. That would really help us out. I think it took out some liquidity around these levels. Oh wow, what's this color? Anyway, never mind. It should be reversing down, because we're pretty much stuck here. So lots of orders up there, I imagine. Lots of orders. Let's look at the 15-minute. What's happening? Long wick candle. I don't like this, guys. To be honest, I don't like this. We have relative equal lows down there, technically. We have sell side. I really don't like it. I don't have a good feeling about this, to be honest. If I see a valid structure shift here, which is more than likely going to come soon, I might going to exit this trade and maybe even go for the short. I'm not kidding. No joke here. If this candle would be closing this with the displacement and the next candle would close, I would leave the gap open, that would be an indication to consider to go short. Just waiting for a drop on there. We should easily see 85. Yeah, maybe. I mean, look at this up here, all this range. I think they will screw shorts. Yeah. Hopefully they will have the short squeeze. I like that this recent bullish candle closed with the wick, but I don't like the candle right now. But I do like that they pushed it back up. So the candle, the 1022 candle had a long wick. That's a good sign. That's not a valid structure shift to the downside, so they can still push it up. So that's something I like to see. They don't make it easy, that's for sure. I mean, this is a barcode chart again. Okay. What is going to happen? I'm gonna check my indicators, my magical indicators from the future. What do they say? Well, actually, 6, yeah. I could have had a nice short. on the Russell and I didn't take it. Why didn't I take it? I don't know. My indicators are telling me to go short, by the way. There you go. My indicators are super short on the Nasdaq. So what the heck should I do here? Okay. There was a nice short opportunity on the Russell and I didn't take it. That's unfortunate. Oh no, it seems like the indicators are right this time. Fortune telling indicators, look at that. Indicator told me to go short here. And now I'm gonna be out of the trade. That's not good. Still in it, but I think this time I'm not going to make it. Yeah, there you go. All right, stop loss got hit. That's it. Stop loss was hit. I'm flat. And the indicator was right. Actually, the indicator tells me it's still going to drop huge. All right, market structure shift. You can go short if you want to. I don't know if I want to, honestly. Okay, ES is dancing around equilibrium. Yeah, you can still choose. Yeah, yeah. Yes, it looks like more short. Damn it. Should I enter into a short? I took a short trade. Please don't take a short trade. I took a short. I might gonna use tight stop here. And now it goes up. Nice. All right. Cool. That's what I wanted. Gonna put my TP down to those levels. Let's see. Do not go short. It's crazy. What I'm doing is crazy, actually. But I took this trade on an eval, not on a funded account, so. You're still on. I'm not gonna close it with a small loss. No, no, no. Let's see. What do we have here? Let's see if this one wants to go down again or not. If not, I'm cool with it. I made peace with myself. I'm just gonna take it and walk away. I might close it here. The squeeze can be still going on there. Yeah, I closed it. I don't like this move. I do not like this. All right. And let me put this. Yeah. So they can still squeeze it up there. Not sure I want to be in that. I mean, in the short, so small loss. Not a big deal. The squeeze can be real all the way to the 70s, or to the 69s, who knows. Do they want it, or do they want to let it go? Or the indicator is going to win this one. TP at 700, let's see. Yeah. 700 is also a good final target. Hey Tom, you're my godfather. I wish I could know. I wish I could tell you. Trust me, I would tell you, but it's hard to tell at this point. Feels like they might want to squeeze all those positions, but it's really hard to tell at this point. So who knows? Or they can just put it down all the way down to the 616 level. But ES is holding, ES is fighting, and as long as ES is fighting, I told you guys, NQ can follow it. So as long as NQ is following ES, I think anything is possible. So let's wait for it, shall we? I'm pushing these lines. I think it has a bracket order somewhere. I honestly, guys, I don't know why Quantower does this to me. It has some kind of a bracket order, always putting in some limit lines. Some strategies is turned on or something. I have to disable it all the time. You took my BULENOX code. Thank you. Tom is the algo. Shahid, thank you. Thank you so much for using my codes, guys. I do appreciate it. So, huge thanks. You have to show me the light to success. Hold on. There. And I made you a helicopter. Alright? You should be successful in trading forever. We're gonna make a meditational stream next time, all right? We're gonna meditate the markets into our favor. I have no idea what they want to do with this now. Maybe the same is going to happen like yesterday. We're going to see the real move around the PM session. Silver bullet hour is not giving us that much as we wanted it. Let's look at it. We still have orders. around the 70s. Lots of orders actually up there. So looks like it wants it. Okay. Already 400 on a demo account. Very good with micro. No, don't ever say that, you know. With micro, it's quite possible to reach for those kind of profits. So it's great, and I'm glad you have that. That's awesome. Even on demo, it's cool. It's cool, man. Da, 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 da. Well, it's hard to tell, but my guess would be we should hit that 670, 672 when news came out, and whatever happens after that, well, as I said, ES is bullish, so let's look for these levels to be taken out. Do you have commission if I have payout? No, I don't have commission then. I only have a commission when you buy an account with the code. I said, no, I don't have a commission. I wish I would, but no. Actually, I have like 10 or 12% commission on my affiliate code. So if you pay, for example, $40, I don't even know, $48, I make a hefty $5.76 on your purchase. $5. And they only pay me out if I have at least $100 in commissions. So trust me, guys, it's not the best cash flow, but it's still better than nothing. You know, if I collect all these together, it can be a good investment to the stream in the future. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. A few dollars here and there. If you guys use the code, that would be great. You can help out the stream. So I appreciate it greatly. Great. In a great manner. Okay. I remember Cami make more money on affiliate. Yeah, I guess I think it does, but it's also it differs, you know. It's very much depending on your following base, depending on your growth, how big of a social influencer you are, and also by this time, since last year, we have a few bigger, quote-unquote, bigger influencer people in the industry that most of the people are using the codes. So I guess, for example, me or anybody who is doing this out of nothing, we're going to be only left with the crumbs. So only a few accounts here and there, and that's it. Look at this. We might have a market structure shift here. Yeah, he's a big streamer, but then again, because he's a big streamer, also those people are using his code, which is quite normal. It's no problem with that. And this way he covers quite a big segment of the market, of the online market. So even if I would be reaching that kind of following, like for example Cami Capital or Patrick Wieland, I would most likely be making much less from affiliate commissions because they were first. I know it sounds strange, but that's the truth. They were way before me. They were already covering the market, so those people, those people could also see me on social media, but those are going to buy accounts through them, whatever happens, because you know they got used to Cami, they get used to Patrick Wieland and other streamers, you know. But the people who joining the affiliate program months or years after, even if they gather that much kind of a social following, most likely they won't be able to make that kind of commissions from affiliate programs, because the online market is pretty much covered by those streamers. So yeah. I don't want to, I mean, I'm focusing on building my channel, that's for sure. I will focus on building my channel. I didn't forget clips to write you back about the editing, so thanks for dropping by. I will focus on the channel, but I still have to make out some ideas about what kind of videos. I have some ideas already. What kind of videos do I want to make? So I know you're waiting for some info about editing, but I'm gonna get you back on that on time. I will focus on it for sure, and I'll get back to you on that. Because for example, I have a script in my head for a video of what I want to do, and maybe I can record some aspects and some skits, you know. And I don't know. Joy is here. Welcome. Hey Joy. Nice to see you guys. And then I would also write down the script, what I would like to see in the video. I don't know. I have some ideas for videos, by the way. I have some funny ideas. I have some serious ideas for... So I have ideas to make some serious video about some knowledge. I mean, of course, definitely I want to provide value, but with a little bit of a fun stuff, or I mean a little bit of a serious aspect, or I can do a little bit more funny videos as well. Related to trading, of course. Look at this. We're still melting down. Still melting down. It feels like it wants to go down. Look at that. At 41, if we can go below the 616 level real quick. Real quick. I'm checking the yeah, look at that. Wow. Are you guys up for a sell? All right, I'm in a sell. I'm in a sell again. I'm not gonna lie. I'm in a sell. Entry is 639.25. I don't have a stop loss yet. I have to figure it out. I don't have a stop loss. 639.25 is my entry. This is my entry. This is not my stop. I don't have a stop loss yet. 17.25 is my TP. Although my stop could be 58.50. Let me check how much is that. 58.50. Yeah, my stop would be at 55. Okay. That's my stop. Let's see if it wants to go lower. What? Break even. I might put it to break even, by the way. I know maybe you are at break even. I know that. 639.25. Closing one position. Partial profit. Partial profit. Okay. What the hell? Why is it putting these orders again here? Limit orders all around. I don't know what the hell. I'm moving the rest of the position to break even. You're at break even. Well, bought at 630. Oh. So you're out at break even. I took partial on this short. The rest of it is at break even. 639.25 is my level. It seems like we're gonna take these relative equal lows. I don't know what the hell is going on, but I saw this dropping and I just entered, covered a little bit while it was dropping. If it takes me out, the rest of it, it's gonna be break even, so I'm fine with it. But it should go down more. Okay. I think the rest of the position is gonna be out at break even. I'm still in. Okay, out at break even. All right. Out at break even, but I covered a little bit from the short, so that was actually a profitable one. Came back at me real nicely. I don't know how, but it did came back. Done trading AM session. We'll wait for, yeah. PM session may give us a little bit better. This action right here is actually not that clean. So most likely this last trade I took, it was a scalp trade. It wasn't an ICT setup or anything. But you know, if you want to take an ICT short, then here's your fair value gap right here. And you can take a short entry on the 1 minute right there. Or you can wait for this 5 minute candle to close, but there is no structure shift. As much as I can tell, well, we can still go up there to squeeze these shorts. So, bought again. Vioxx bought again. Just be careful. Just be careful there. We have relative equal lows on the 15 minute at 616. And we have 1 hour fair value gap down there, so be careful. Nothing down short. It could. Okay. It could go fast. Okay, well, you know. Let's hope it turns out good. What is ES doing? ES is still holding these levels. Look at the 5 minute ES. It's rejecting these lows. Should be seeing it go up there, but no sign of it yet. And look at that, it's still going down. Took me out at break even, and it's going down again. 10 points away from making a new low. So I'm flat, that's for sure. Excuse me. Okay, it looks like we might go back to reprice that fair value gap. We also have a fair value gap on the 5 minute, but no structure break to the downside. So all right, nothing so far. The only thing that's sure that it's gonna go down for now, I think, is gonna go to the 16 level. Do you trade on Rhythmic or Ninja Trader? At this very moment, I trade on Quantower Rhythmic, which is connected to Rhythmic, but I execute on Quantower. Why do I feel like they are just sucking up all the stops for a big sell-off on ES? Yes, it could be the case. A big sell-off can actually happen anytime. Look at these lows down here. I'm sure this is a bullish order block. I'm sure that there are many stop losses down there. Lots of liquidity below there. They want to sell it. NQ is almost making a new low here. So honestly, Vioxx, which platform? If you don't know both of them, Rhythmic is not specifically. You can trade with Rhythmic. I would advise against it because not user friendly platform. So I think I was trading with NinjaTrader a lot. It's not. I mean, it's a good platform. Not that much user friendly. Nowadays, I'm starting to get familiar with Quantower because I want to copy trade a few accounts, and so that's why I'm trying to use Quantower. The copy trading mechanics are a little bit more simple than NinjaTrader, but I know everybody likes TraderWeight, for example. TraderWeight is a good platform as well, no problem. But Quantower has the ability to copy trade in between multiple prop firms, multiple accounts, so that's why I'm trying to get used to Quantower. Look at that, almost managed to make a new low. Let's see where it goes. Yeah, TraderWeight is the most user-friendly. TraderWeight is extremely user-friendly. But the copy trading mechanic is dog shit. I tried it. The copy trading can confuse you, and sometimes it's not taking the order. It has some bugs. Just as other platforms, I guess. But so far, I'm having my hopes with Quantower. NinjaTrader is good as well. If you buy the Replicanto software for it, it's good for copy trading, but the ability to copy trade between different prop firms is not, well, it's technically possible, but it's much more difficult. You have to buy a license for another computer. You have to set up a virtual computer. It's not that simple to copy trade it. So with NinjaTrader, it's a little bit older platform, but it's good. But Quantower should be the one that's gonna help me out with the copy trades. All right, what is happening? I'm up $116, which is better than zero. With micros, only micros, guys. By taking losses here and there. Okay. I have no idea what they want to do here. The kill zone is technically almost over in the AM session. That doesn't mean you can't trade or we can't continue to trade, but in terms of looking for any kind of setup, look at this. We still have this low here, and if I go to the 15-minute, hold on. If I go to the 15-minute, we have some fair value gap here. Also like a bullish order block, and then untouched fair value gap at 611. So don't forget about that. You can still visit those levels. So Okay. I was just checking out some charts, but yeah, the sun is going down. It's dark outside, almost dark, but it's setting. Yeah, I should get a lamp here. I want to buy a new streamer lamp somewhere because I have the camera and I want to put a streamer lamp so you guys can see my face, you know, my beautiful face in a much better view. And I can also put on some lights. So just give me a second. Now it's much better, right? It's a little bit better. Not perfect, but a little better. I don't want to do green screen, by the way. Someone told me I should do a green screen. I'm not a fan of green screen. I don't want to have a sheet behind me. Maybe I'm gonna do like there's a door or a wall there. So I'm gonna put some stuff, some design to the background, maybe make it a little bit more comfy for you guys. Feel home if you join the stream. You guys can feel a little bit home with me. Maybe I'm gonna put, you know, some comfy items in the background, and I'm gonna have a streamer lamp. So yeah, have some plans here. You can also get a green screen. No. Well, maybe I can have a green screen to do some videos. I mean, not by streaming, but for some. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, I would have some great videos if I would have a green screen. I could shoot before some awesome backgrounds, and maybe I can do some funny sketches. So maybe I will get one for that purpose. That would be great. I like the dark vibe. Feels like Batman lurking in the shadows. Yeah. But we like your content for the most part. Yeah, well, thank you so much. I'm really honored. It's my privilege if you guys are here. But I want to make if you guys are hanging here with me in the future, I want to make it to feel comfy and cozy. Let it be just some background designs, you know, on the wall, some stuff, the lights and everything, and the nature of the videos as well. I'm gonna be doing some videos with some, maybe the green screen or with some cozy background, you know. I really want you guys to feel home. Some of those fake stone walls you can get it from. Yeah, by the way, yeah. Ludafish, that is actually I like those stone walls. I do like them. There's a picture behind me from the Brooklyn Bridge in New York. I have a couch behind me, and there's a picture about the New York the Brooklyn Bridge. But maybe I should put some fake stone on the wall. I don't know. Or maybe a neon sign in the background somewhere over there. Neon sign, neon lights, and the different light coming to my towards my face. I don't know. Nothing wrong? Alright there. Then maybe I'm gonna do something on that wall. Maybe there. Because it's nothing there. Maybe I'm gonna do something there in this area. I'm not sure. Thank you. There's gonna be more. Some more nature walks are coming. Okay. And by the way, look at this. We have a reaction. Oh my baby Jesus. We have a reaction for the 42 levels. Let me check it. Do we have a reaction? It seems like we have. Oh yeah, we have. Totally forgot to extend this right there, and there's your entry. It's also a 5-minute entry, to be honest. Yes, might also want to go higher. I don't know what they want. If you're billionaire, you can invite some. Yeah. Yeah. Lot of options. Go with your sense of personal taste. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the encouragement. Okay, I took a short and immediately went against me. Just a small micro. And let's see what happens. 1 micro there, so I might even close it. My short is terribly wrong entry at 35.50. My entry is at 35.50 and I'm targeting 6.17 again. If it closes above 46.75 ish, I'm just gonna close it, and I'm still gonna be up for the day, so it's fine. No, 46, not 30. 46, yeah, 46.75 if it goes above there. I just have a feeling that maybe this fair value gap is going to give us the reaction or the push to try once more to the downside. But if it's going to consolidate too much, I'm just going to close it manually. So it's just a tiny small position. I'm going to move my stuff. Why is it putting the limit orders again? I hate that. I don't know why it does that. Yeah, hard to choose. Don't diddle in the middle. You know what? You've got to live whatever you choose. So choose something you know you like. No exaggeration. Yeah. Definitely. Hold on, I forgot to put in my entry. 39.75. This is my target right now. This is my trade. It has good chance. Yeah. So I entered here. My TP is at 17. So small position, but I want to see it break it. Whatever happens after that, I don't care. Nice, we're going into profit finally. I mean, we're hovering in profit. We only need 10 more, well, 9 more points. 9 more points. Should drop. Yeah, chances are good. We have liquidity at 611. So it can go all the way down to the 600s. Who knows? If it goes back, it's going to be a tight stop, so I don't really care. So, what do you guys think? Is ICT going to win the Robbins Cup? What's your opinion, guys? Is he going to win? Is ICT going to win the Robbins Cup? I think we will see Wednesday weekly high on ICT weekly profile if they hold. Yes, it can happen. It can happen. It can happen. I hope he wins, Zoltan says. I hope he wins. I hope so too. I hope he wins. It would be also a moral victory for me as well in the future, because I'm sticking with the concepts. I do like the concepts, but yeah, P-Trader, just, yeah, you came before me. Not that I don't care. It would be a little bit of a moral victory, but what I wanted to say is that if I would have to bet real money, let's just say, I hope that he wins, but if I would bet my real money on the outcome, I think he's going to lose. I think he's going to blow up. I would bet a bigger amount, a big chunk of money that would hurt me. I would bet that money that he's going to blow up. I respect ICT, great respect. I do. I learned everything. A lot of I tremendously grateful for his lectures and his motivation and everything. Even for his Bible. Well, let's just skip the Bible right now. But for all those lectures on Twitter Spaces, on YouTube, the concepts, everything, I'm extremely grateful. But I think he's going to blow up. I think I would bet real money. Is there a place where we can bet this thing? I would bet some money. Is there an online place, a fantasy betting or something, you know, like FanDuel or something, where, you know, we bet on the outcome? Because I think it would be a very, very lucrative thing to do. But even if loses, I will, of course I will. Even if he blows up, I'm still going to stick with his concepts. So it's his ego. Yeah, it's an ego thing. Probably just as important as choose the I'm pretty sure your wife will like it. So definitely a bunch of access swords. Taxidermy giant tank cards. Polished maple bear taps. Oh my god. You deserve this. You deserve a laugh. Thank you, little fish. I know. I think he'll definitely win. Okay. I think he will lose too because of pressure. Yes, I think so too. I'm still in the trade, by the way. It's still on. Patrick William will blow. Yeah, he will definitely blow up. Nothing bad with Patrick. I don't want to be in a beef with anyone here on social media. I think Patrick will blow up. ICT will definitely blow up. I think ICT has this ego thing going on, and I think he should let it go. It's gonna, you know, maybe he can trade on his own in peaceful mind, you know, maybe. I hope so. But Patrick put 100k against ICT. They were making a bet for first $250,000 and then they doubled it to $500,000. First, ICT accepted the as in bet. Yeah. So they made the bet on Twitter that Patrick bet $250,000 that ICT is gonna blow up, and ICT accepted the challenge. And there was another tweet somewhere that they doubled. Patrick said that he's going to double the bet to $500,000, and ICT replied with something like he takes it or whatever. So far, as far as I know, they are at $500,000 of bet. So I think Patrick is going to win. But to be honest, whoever wins, Patrick or ICT, I think it's not going to be paid out. $500,000 on this kind of a stupid bet, they are not going to pay out each other. Whoever wins, they're not going to pay $500,000 on this bet to each other, no matter who wins it. It's just for the viewers. It's just for the followers. It's for clout chasing, you know. It's for... That's it. That's all into it. They want the fan base to talk about them. Of course, big numbers, big bets. Or they can just lie to you. They can lie to us like, yeah, I won, he got paid out, or whoever wins, you know. That was funny. ICT baited Patrick by losing on his live stream on purpose. I don't even know what really happened there. I saw that he was taking 3 losses in a row, although ICT did say it in advance before he started the live stream that please do not copy trade anything on my live stream. He did say so. And I don't know, to be honest, if I don't know it. Was he taking those 3 or 4 losses on purpose, or was he really having a bad day? I don't know. I don't know. It's filled with mystery, guys. It's a mystery. Patrick never pays. He owns the Nutty Bar still after a year. Yeah, I know that. I know that. Patrick is definitely not going to pay ICT, and nor vice versa. ICT is not going to pay Patrick. Just to let you guys know. Whatever is going to be the outcome. Nobody's going to pay anyone, not even $1,000. Just, you know, let's be clear about that. Nobody is paying. But if there would be an online casino or online betting service or something where I could place my bet, I would put some serious money that ICT will blow up. 2 outcomes are going to happen. Either he blows up, unfortunately, I wish he would win, but I think he won't. So either he blows up, or there's going to be some excuse, as Patrick said, or others said. There's going to be maybe aliens come, or aliens took something or did something with his trades, or the market makers or the government came after him, or somebody hacked his computer, or I hope not, but maybe some family issue is going to come up, or some kind of excuse. I'm following ICT since a few years, and he did go into Robin's Cup before, and he always had excuses. So I just checked, and there is nothing on European side so far. Oh, sometimes you're better in teaching. Yeah, exactly, Viox. I think ICT is a great teacher, great mentor, also almost like a father figure. I respect him. And you know also why do I respect ICT? I know it's a different stuff, religion. I'm a religious man, my own. Not that I pray every day like a true Christian, but I like when he talks about some religion, but I'm not going to offend anyone, so let's not talk about it. Religion is a dangerous territory, so I'm not going to go into that, but I respect him. I respect him for standing out to the crowd and talking about religion. He's talking about his personal issues, his life. I think he's kind of a father figure, mentor type, and I do respect him for that. I'm not wishing him anything bad. I wish all the best to him and his family. But I think he cannot trade in this kind of huge pressure. That's what I think. That's why I think he's going to blow up. So maybe some US bookmakers will cover it. Maybe. So if you guys find a bookmaker, some reliable bookmaker online that covers this topic, who's going to win, let me know, because I am willing to put in some money that ICT will blow up. 2 outcomes: either he blows up or some excuse is going to come up. I don't care what excuse, aliens or hackers or government or market makers, I don't care. Some excuse or he blows up. That's the 2 outcome that's going to happen. He's not even going to finish the year in a positive. He's going to blow his account up. because aiming for those kind of percentages, you have to go with full leverage most of the time, guys. Just saying. Miss Healthy FX is here. Hey, by the way, applause for anyone right now who is here, and Miss Healthy FX as an OG deserves an applause as well. Yeah, I saw that tweet, Sahid. I saw that. I saw exactly what happened there about that tweet. So maybe it was on purpose from ICT. I'm not saying it wasn't, but I have my doubts, my fair doubts. But it's gonna be very exciting in February. It's gonna be very, very, very exciting to track down all this in February. Wow, I can't wait, really. Get ready with the popcorn and everything. So long I could 10 coffee before move. Yeah. So long I could 10 coffee before a move. I don't know exactly what you mean by that. If you're saying that you could go long but you need 10 coffee before the move, yeah, exactly. It's gonna take so long. When in February? ICT said he's going to start on the 6th of February. He's going to start trading on the 6th of February. I don't expect him to trade every day, by the way, but his name is going to be on the leaderboard most likely, so we should see his stats. There's already a link to his account from Robbins. I saw it once, but I didn't save the bookmark. But there's a link to his name, not to his account number, but you can see his progress, how he's doing. It's updated every day, so it's going to be available. ICT concept is only one part of the trading equation. The other he doesn't teach is trading psychology. Exactly, Sahid. But by the way, he talks a lot about trading psychology. Most likely he talks about it on his Twitter spaces. If you have Spotify, or you can just go to YouTube and, you know, search for ICT Twitter spaces, you're going to find quite a few about those Twitter spaces. 3 to 4 hour, maybe 5 hour long Twitter spaces from last year and also from 2022. Those Twitter spaces, well, they have a lot of psychological explanations and a lot of things about the psychology of trading. Well, you know, 4 hours, and 2 hours of that 4 hours is his personal life and personal issues, so you have to go through with that. But for example, last year I was in hospital for some time. Unfortunately, I had surgery and everything, and I was laying in the hospital bed it was in February and January as well. And I was listening to his Twitter spaces, and I listened to him quite a lot while I was in hospital. So there was a lot of psychological things that he mentioned. So tough times. A year ago it was very tough. Also at the end of 2022 was real tough for me. I had health issues and I had serious financial issues as well, so that was tough. So I still have to think about my moves online. What do I spend? How much stuff do I spend? I have to calculate. I have a side income, so don't worry, guys. I'm calculating for everything, but it was tough. It was tough. I hope that as the channel grows, everything is going to grow. My accounts are going to grow. I'm only going with micros. Unfortunately, I had some stupid moves in January, and the TOPSTEP accounts are not going to be paying me this month. I had payouts in December and November, so hopefully I'm gonna pay out in February. That would be great. But I want to build up more accounts. with multiple prop firms. And that's why I'm using Quant Tower. So I have a plan. Actually, I was thinking that maybe I'm gonna put a YouTube video about my plan for the year, of how I'm expecting it to grow, including the YouTube channel, including affiliations. I'm gonna be transparent as much as I can, including building up accounts. Guys, this price action is one of the worst price actions. I checked them out. You are right, but Trading in the Zone is the book that helped me. Sahid, you and me are soulmates. Trading in the Zone is... I actually read it 4 times already. And in my YouTube library, in my private favorite library on YouTube, I have a library that it's all about Mark Douglas workshops. So if you just go into YouTube and you type Mark Douglas workshop, you're going to find a bunch of videos, like 1 or 2 hour long workshop outtakes. I saved them all. I was reading Trading in the Zone 4 or 5 times. I read The Disciplined Trader like 3 times. So absolutely agree with you. I think one of the best, maybe the best books out there. I know it's a mantra, everybody says that, but I really do think that Mark Douglas Trading in the Zone is like in the top. It's really the best. Almost taken out here. I'm still in, but almost got taken. Okay, taken out. Stop loss. Stop loss. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. It was a small position. I'm still in profit for the day, but I don't know what to do with this right now. This is just not turning out to be one of those winning, I mean super huge winning trades. Sorry to hear about that in January, Tom. Setbacks only make... yeah, definitely. Yeah, I was having a health issue. I was having financial trouble. It was pure depression. All right, I'm off. I might check back in the PM session for something. Take care, all. No problem, Zoltan. Thank you so much for being here. Köszönöm szépen, hogy itt voltál. Viszlát holnap. Thank you so much. Fellow Hungarian. Let's give an applause. Thank you for being here. Maybe it's the move. Maybe it's the move. You think so? Let me delete this. So now we moved higher. We can use this gap as an inversion. What do you guys think? Should we go long on this one? Is this the move that everybody was waiting for? So this could be an inversion move. Are you guys into it? Do you guys want this move? ES is fighting. ES is fighting, guys. I might gonna take it. All right, I took it with 1 micro. If this is the move, then let's see it. My stop is gonna be a real tight one. My stop is gonna be at 36.25-ish, maybe. Almost taken out. Almost taken out. Damn it. It happens. My TP is going to be up at 69-ish. I'm still in. My entry is at 45.50. My stop loss is at 36.25. Entry is 45.50. $36.25 is my stop. Final TP is 69. Let me modify it. 69, round number of 69. All right. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. If it would go to TP, that would bring me back. If it goes to stop loss, I'm not risking more. This is how we protect our capital, you know. Almost taking me out. Yeah, took me out. All right. It took me out, and that's it. I'm still up $70 for the day. I don't want to risk more about that profit. Let's see. It very well could, but I don't like the double bottom. Me too. From here on out, it's gonna be overtrading from my side, and I don't want to overtrade. I don't want to take anything. I don't want to go in tilt or overtrade or give back the profits to the market. We're heading into the lunch hour. Look at this. It took me out. Now it's gonna go to that level. Just my luck. Yeah. I think the way they are doing today is filling the order book left open from yesterday's ballistic move. Yeah, maybe. So they'll jerk off this range until full. Yeah. Exactly. We're at 51, so they can still revisit the 69. I'm not jumping back in. It took me out exactly. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Don't tell me that this is not Murphy's Law. This is where my stop loss was. Right there. That's my stop loss. Took out my stop and boom. Took off. That was my stop loss right there. Right there. It actually took me for the tick. By one tick. It took me out for one tick and then went up there. That's crazy, man. That's bullshit. That is bullshit. That's bullshit. Now this is crap. Took me out with one tick. One single tick. The low of this candle was well, actually two ticks. My stop loss was at 36.25. It went all the way down to 35.75. So two ticks, it take me out, and boom, up there again. Nice. Yikes. Yeah. Oh, guys. I hate this. I mean, I don't hate it, but it's part of trading. Happens many times. Many times. I feel like, so we're at 49. Yeah, we have the chance to go all the way up to 69. I don't know. Maybe I can put a limit order there, but not sure. This fair value gap is still holding though. So let me put some limits up there. Why is it not putting there? My limits. I don't know why. Anyway. That's annoying. What can I say? That is annoying. Because it's, if it takes out these highs at 67, so this was the news driver here, and yeah, it can still take it out. That's algorithmic for you. They saw, the market makers saw my stop loss, so the market makers actually came after me, and I think that's the reason. That's the reason. That could be, that's the only explanation out there. No other, because what other explanations do you guys have? Market makers come after me all the time. All the time. I hate it so much. What is the macro is going to be on in 15 minutes. So the macro should be sweeping some liquidity, and liquidity, in my opinion, could be right up there if we're bullish, or I mean on the upside, but who knows. Just ain't right. Hey there. Market's so choppy. Yeah, it is. I just don't know what to do with it. I mean, AM session is terrible. Maybe we'll see some movement in the PM session. I think ES definitely wants to take out those highs. Look at that. Look at ES. It's very close to take out previous day high at 57. And that's what I think it will go to. It should go to 57. NQ is still fighting to go down, so they are a little bit decoupled, but I think ES wants to go up. As long as ES wants to fight, I told you guys, it should go up. Should. I might gonna put a limit order again. I tried to. A little bit lower maybe. I don't know. On the 1 minute it's almost like no, it's the 30 minutes, sorry. $50 looks like second stage distribution. Market maker sell model. Yeah, it could be. No entry for now. Slipping lower, but I don't know. Not sure. Maybe I'm putting an order down there at consequent encroachment. I'm not sure I want to do this, so. $607, yeah, parallel gap could be targeted, taking along from 644 to 659, seeking internal range balance. Since yeah, for now it seems like internal range could be the only target. I love to see that go above that, you know, just for taking out this small fair value gap there. Yeah. That seemed to be the only reasonable target here, right? I might put a limit order somewhere. I don't know. Should I put a limit there? No, no, I'm not going to put a limit there. No, I'm just waiting. I have to wait this one out, I guess. Also, -4 deviation lines up with 607. Yeah, I have to be aware of that. But honestly, I don't really like this. So, lunch hour is coming. Let's wait for the macro here. No, I definitely don't want to give back my profits there. So, don't worry about that. I want to keep profits, so. But I want to delete my limit order here. There was a limit order. So I'm deleting that limit order right there. Why is it making so many? Alright, that's deleting it. Don't worry, I'm not giving back any profits. I'm just watching this carefully. Nothing to do here, guys. If anything, it really seems like it might want to drop back down. Feels like it's having some trouble. I don't know. This is a shift down again on the 1 minute. I wonder how far they can take it. When is the macro? The macro is turning on in about 8 minutes. Bearish order block, 1 minute. Market structure shift looks bearish, to be honest. What can we see here? On the 15-minute, we have liquidity down there. ES trying to point up. Also has liquidity down there. Hard to tell. Extremely hard to tell. No idea what they want here. I don't know, I'm gonna put some limits there, but really have no idea what they want to do. If anything, it seems like they want to run to the highs, to those 69 area. It definitely looks like. But ES is fighting for it. I just don't know if NQ wants to go for it as well. Macro should be kicking in. Also, we are in a premium. Yeah. We are in a premium, definitely. So. I don't know. I might put a limit order here as well. I'm not in any trades. I'm just trying to capitalize maybe some good setup, but no setup. Now maybe we will have a setup on the 1 minute, maybe, to go up if the macro kicks in, and maybe we can go for the long, but we're still waiting for that. It's having a hard time. This fair value gap is still there in the way. Market structure shift on the 30-second chart. Can still go up. ES wants to go up, so let me move my limit orders. Let's see if they want something. There's still no clear path on this one. The only thing I could imagine if they want to run above the 55s, but only if ES wants those highs. But that's I don't know if they want it or not. Not sure about that. Not sure about that, so I'm just gonna wait it out. We have a fair value gap above 55.25 on the 1 minute, but I don't know if that's the one that we're looking for or not. ES trying to make a high. Maybe if it breaks higher, ES, then it goes for relative equal highs there and it can pull up NQ into that internal liquidity. But at this point, it's really hard to tell. And we still have the news high, which is at 69. So at this point, it's really hard to tell. I don't like how dollar index is falling. Yeah, I saw that. Now it's repricing a little bit of the 30-second. Still in this fair value gap. Now it's currently acting as resistance. I don't know for how long, but it's acting as resistance. Do they want to run it? I don't know. Macro should be kicking in less than 2 minutes. Seems like they might want to go for the 55 liquidity right up there, but I have no freaking idea what they want. If they do want it, then that can be interesting. If they want to run this to the highs. Or this was just a false breakout. 30 seconds until the macro. It could be a sell-off too, you know. ES made a new high. I saw that. So we're pretty close to previous day high, as I said, at 57. And as long as ES wants 57, NQ should follow. But all right, we're at the macro right now. So liquidity sweeps are in place. We have 20 minutes to see what they want to do. Are they going to run it higher? If ES wants to do the break for a previous day high or not. Or they just want to set it off. Who knows? We have liquidity above 55. Let me check the book map for once. We have lots of orders around 57. That's interesting. Good to know. Otherwise, nothing extra. Yes, still up there. Trying to make those new highs. I don't know if it's worth to wait for it, but you can see what the macro wants to do here. Do they want to run it or not? I don't know. No freaking idea. Now it seems like it's losing ground. It's the waiting game, guys. We're in the middle of nowhere. Do they want to run those highs? Go into a little bit of liquidity. We have order blocks as well. Well, not so clean, but we definitely have liquidity up there. Do they want it or not? We don't know. Okay, now it's a little bit breaking down. Okay, so is this the start of a sell-off? Who knows? Yes, breaking down a little bit too. NQ making a structure shift, I guess. So this can go down. All right. Let's see how it closes. Is ES selling off? Not really, right? There was a minor structure shift on the 30-second, but I think it's going to shift structure on the 1 minute too. So if it goes down, we can target the lows again. Yeah. I might gonna look for some limit orders in this fair value gap, to be honest. I would love to see it go down. If this is a sell-off. If this is a sell-off again. I'd love to see it go down. Even the algo doesn't know. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. All right, putting some limit shorts maybe. If we see a sell-off, I don't know. That would be great. Sell side should be still at the 16s. Somewhere, well, at least at the 20. So I don't know. Be careful. Not sure what they want to do with it. 5-minute fair value gap, help, no candle close. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah. I can't. I mean, if we look at the 1 hour, by the way, if we look at the 1 hour here, no, not the 1 hour. Sorry, the 15-minute. We definitely have some juicy lows down there to be taken out, but I don't know if that's really the target what NQ wants. Want to see order block become breaker here. Yeah. Maybe it will turn. Who knows? Deleting my limit. I have no idea what they want here. Yes, he's gonna take it higher, I think. ES can drag it higher, or ES is gonna dump. Yeah, ES might gonna take it higher, who knows. If they really want it to go higher. But then it should not stop at least to around 55. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, maybe. I just see nothing. Look at that. They might want to run for this. I'm just pushing my lines here and there, and I have no entry. It would be a great short here, but I just don't like the fact that we didn't take out significant highs. We did shift structure, so that's a fact. But we have lots of liquidity still up there, so I would like to see what they're doing with that or whatever. ES wants to go higher to break the 57. Day before FA always crap. Yeah, I agree. I agree. By the way, guys, until we're waiting, please push the like button, subscribe to the channel, because we're still just waiting for a miracle. And do consider to subscribe and take your discounts. Free and BULENOX has a very good sale. Apex has a good one. Use my codes. Also, the last day for my funded futures to take your 50% discount as a new customer. So grab it until you can. Great deals. Limit orders, but nothing extra. I don't know what they want to do, but I tell you, until ES goes for the 57, NQ should be staying bullish. Hopefully, I don't know. I don't know. So we're just waiting. Looks like it wants to sell, but maybe not. I'm not sure. Not sure anymore. On the 1 minute, we're, you know, this fair value gap is acting as resistance now. So yeah, who knows what it wants. And I don't even know. No trades on my funded account. Trying to play around with the eval, but well, we have nothing. We have nothing here. Only waiting. Yeah, this price section is definitely like watching paint dry. But again, as far as ES is looking for the 57s, NQ could be pushing for some liquidity up here. It's gonna be tricky for sure. Above 55 there is a small fair value gap. If the macro wants to grab it, I don't know. At this point, it's really hard to tell. But definitely a very, 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 very crappy price action. Okay, let's just wait. There's not much to do in the lunch hour. Or we're just not gonna do anything. Maybe PM session will bring something better. But it's definitely like watching paint dry. It's definitely something like that. Yeah. It's just standing still. The whole morning is just, I mean, the AM session is, it's very bad. But, you know, as we talked about it, we could have expected this because as I said, we made new historical levels here during the last week and this week. So consolidation period is right on us right now. So are they going to sell it down? Might seem like it. They're gonna sell it down. I'm gonna put in some limit orders there just to see if we're gonna grab something. Most likely not. There is liquidity down there below the 616 if they want to sell it down once more. If you look at the 15-minute chart, there is some. Otherwise, I mean, look at that. If they want to set it off, there is some nice juicy liquidity down there, but ES wants to keep on going higher. Yeah. They want to push it higher, I think. And the high here was actually, well, yeah, we can go back to 667, 79, break those highs. I don't know. That would be something. ES will tell. ES will tell. Well, guys, you know what? I'm not gonna wait here. I think I'm gonna cut it. Thank you so much for watching. I have no idea what to do here. This is just so bad. Nothing is going on. We're just sitting here. I'm gonna be back in the London session, and for now, I'm glad I have the profits, and I'm gonna be coming back in the London session. No trades. I'm keeping the profits from today, so that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider to subscribe. This is a terrible price action here, so guys, just move on with the day, and see you guys in London. And let's hope tomorrow will bring us something better, because maybe the PM session will do something, but that's it for now. So thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the London session. Cheers, everyone.